You did the hard part and you planned your homepage with strategy in mind. And now it's time to bring it to life. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to build your homepage inside of Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine using the same layout we looked at last time. So by the end, you'll have a homepage that not only looks great, but is ready to attract clients as well. If you haven't done your brand strategy work and you want to follow along this video using your own, then you're definitely going to want to check out my previous video first. I'll link it below and then come back here when you're ready to build. Okay, so I lied a little bit. We're not actually jumping into Squarespace just yet. We are here in Figma. Figma is a UI UX design tool that's commonly used for wireframing and prototyping websites. So why are we in here? Well, because when I create websites, I always start out by sketching things out, and this is what's known as a wireframe. Using the copy and content ideas I pulled from my anatomy of a homepage PDF and the homepage builder AI tool, I already had most of the content ready to go, but I really wanted a way to visualize how everything would come together on the page. And this is what we're looking at now. Now, don't worry, you don't need to use Figma if you're DIYing. A piece of paper and a pencil works great. I do recommend though sketching things out if you can, but I do find in Squarespace, especially if you already know a bit or you're familiar with the platform, it's not 100% necessary to wireframe out. Normally though, if I were designing professionally, I would go one step further than this wireframe here, and I would wireframe a high fidelity layout and version of this wireframe in Figma, using the actual fonts, imagery, and the color palette for the site. But for this walkthrough, I'm just keeping it super DIY friendly, and there's no need to learn another program or overcomplicate things at all. So a high fidelity wireframe is basically a pretty much near exact replica of what you can expect your actual homepage inside of Squarespace to look like. Now, if we scroll over here, you'll see that I've actually laid out some of the visual brand elements. This includes the chosen typefaces, color palette, and imagery. So I did decide on these things during my website planning process using a fictional character called Ayla Fern. She is a nutritionist who specializes in gut health, and she views food as a kind of medicine. So the strategy work pointed me in this visual direction for a few key reasons. I felt like using this green primary color palette was a natural fit for a brand like this. Her imagery is actually quite bold and a bit playful with a bit of a fashion edge. So that's why I chose both serif fonts for her headings and body copy, because they really help elevate and lean into that more editorial feel. Her logo is actually a simple word mark, but it's got a script font element which really breaks it up and adds a friendlier and more human touch to balance out the overall look. These elements work well together to reflect the kind of brand she is and the client experiences that she wants to offer. All right, now that we've covered that, we are actually now ready to jump on into Squarespace.